In this section, I'd like to explain the nonlinear equations. Usually, it is quite difficult to solve the nonlinear differential equations except some special cases. So in this session, I'd like to explain the two cases. First case is a missing dependent variables. So second order differential equation is expressed 0 equal capital F is a function of the x, y, y prime and y2 primes. This is a general form of the differential equation. First case is a missing dependent variables. So there is no y in the function of capital F. So missing y. Y is missing. So in this case, if you substitute y prime equal u, then y2 primes equal u primes. Then differential equation 0 equal capital F function of x, y prime, y2 primes becomes f capital F is the x, u and u primes. This is a first order differential equation. And then we can apply the method we learned to find the solutions of these differential equations. First order differential equations. Sometimes independent variables is missing. So this is x is missing. So differential equation, general form of the differential equation is 0 equal f x, y, y prime, y2 primes. And this x is missing, so form of the function is y and y prime and y2 primes. Again, we can use substitutions. U equal y primes. Y2 primes is expressed du dx. Then we can apply the chain rules. dy dx, du dy. So this is correspond to the y primes. This is u. So this is u du dy. So y2 primes is transformed into the u du dy. Differential equation 0 equal capital F y, y primes, y2 primes. Y prime this is u. Y2 primes is a u du dy. So equation is expressed f is a function of y, u du dy. So originally x is the independent variables, but in this equation x is missing. So instead of x, now y is the independent variables. And u is a dependent variables. And the equation becomes first order differential equation. We apply the method we learned to solve these differential equations. Okay, I explained the two special cases to solve the nonlinear differential equations. Okay, this is the end of this session.